Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV. Yes, you heard that right. A compact, pedal-assisted trike that doubles as a tiny home on wheels. It's designed for travelers who want the freedom of the open road without the bulk and fuel cost of a traditional RV. At first glance, the 2026 model looks sleek and futuristic. The aerodynamic shell is made from lightweight carbon composite panels, and it's surprisingly sturdy for its size. It rides on a three-wheel electric assist platform that offers stability even when fully loaded. You get up to 100 miles of assisted range per charge, depending on terrain and payload, which is more than enough for weekend adventures or slow-paced touring. Let's talk about the interior. The cabin space is small, of course, but it's incredibly efficient. You'll find a foldable bed that doubles as a seating area, modular storage units, and a compact kitchenette with an induction cooktop and a collapsible sink. There's even a 12-volt fridge tucked beneath the counter. Everything runs off a solar-charged lithium battery system mounted on the roof, so you can go fully off-grid if you choose. Comfort-wise, the 2026 Trike RV doesn't disappoint. There's ventilation on both sides, a skylight for natural lighting, and optional insulation for cold weather trips. The design team clearly thought about long-distance travelers. There are USB ports, a small control display for battery monitoring, and a fold-out workstation for digital nomads. Performance-wise, it's powered by a 1-to-100-watt electric motor with regenerative braking. The ride is smooth on paved roads and stable on gravel paths, though it's not built for extreme off-roading. The handling feels balanced, and the pedal assist mode makes it easy to maneuver even when fully packed. Now, on to practicality. The total weight is around 400 pounds unloaded, and it can carry up to 300 pounds of cargo. That's enough for a solo traveler or a minimalist couple. You can store it in a regular garage, tow it if needed, and even bring it into urban areas where larger RVs can't go. Of course, it's not without downsides. Space is limited, and you'll have to pack smart. There's no built-in bathroom, though an optional portable unit fits in the rear compartment. And while the solar system is efficient, cloudy days might require backup charging from a power source. Price-wise, the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV starts around $13,500, depending on options. That's not cheap, but compared to a full-size camper van or RV,